How to create a group in Wire Messenger. Hello and welcome back to Wake&Tech. Creating a group in Wire Messenger lets you chat securely with multiple people in one conversation. First of all, open up the Wire Messenger app on your device, and from the main conversations page, go ahead and tap on the plus icon at the top right corner and click on New Group. Now, enter the group's name, give the group a name, and click Next. On the next page, select the participants you want in your group. If you have multiple contacts, go ahead and select all the contacts you want in the group and click Done. You'll then be able to create a new group. Even after creating the group, you can add other members you want. And once you have all of the people in one conversation page, you can then go ahead and connect to them in one take. Now you can start sending messages, photos, files, or video messages to everyone in the group. You can always change the group name, add more members, or update the group picture later from the group's information page. So that's how you create a new group in Wire Messenger. If you found the video to be helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.